I'm in my element. Money getting bigger, that's the evidence. They wanna see me fall, I promise you I never slip. I'm on the grind, do it for the dead presidents. Dead presidents.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And click on the bell down below so it can let you know every time I upload. Thanks guys. So first off, I'm taking my eyeshadow primer, and this is from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm putting it all over my eyelid. So next in this Modern Matte palette, I'm taking that burgundy color, and I'm starting in my crease and working it all the way down to my eyelid. So on the center of my lid, I'm using Dirty Little Secrets eyeshadow, and this is in the color Sangria, and I'm using it just directly on the center of my lid. So now I'm taking my M.A.C Mineralize Skin Finish in Deep Darkest, and I'm going into my crease area, making sure I blend out any harsh lines that I created with that burgundy color. Now lining my eyes, I'm using e.l.f.'s liquid liner in black, and I'm not going all the way for a wing, I'm just going right to the edge of my outer eye. After applying false lashes off camera, I am back with highlighting and contouring, and I'm using Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind in Caramel. And for contouring, I'm using Black Opal's foundation stick in Black Walnut. And as usual, I am highlighting underneath my eyes, forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. And for contour, my cheekbones, around my forehead area, my nose, and my neck. Now setting the highlight that I put down with M.A.C translucent powder in Topaz. And now we're taking Black Radiance contour kit in medium to dark, and I'm going to be setting everywhere that I contoured. So while I let that set, I'm going back into the Modern Matte palette in the burgundy color, and I'm going to be filling in my entire bottom lash line, and then I'm going to go and put that baked eyeshadow on top, just directly in the middle. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and wiping away all the extra powder and buffing out my face. Finishing off my eyes, I'm taking M.A.C Extreme Dimension 3D eyelash mascara, and I'm going to finish off my bottom lashes. And for highlight, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild's Hello Halo and go with the glow. And I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyebrows, my cupid's bow, and weirdly underneath my lip. I don't know why I did that, but it's, let me live. For blush, I use just a little of that burgundy color from the Modern Matte palette. And for lips, I use LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color in Perception. And right in the middle, I use that Baked Eyeshadow in Sangria once again. Back in my Mineralize skin finish, I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm buffing out my whole entire face. And last but not least, I'm using my matte face spray by NYX and that fluffy brush just to make sure I go over everything once more. And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys loved it, and please stay tuned for another one. Bye guys.